Okay, so what you have here is a very long bike ride, about 10-15 miles, to do a video about a very special thing where I get my bike. I'll show you guys how special this is. What you're looking at right now is walking down South Aviation through a bunch of weeds. There we go. And through these weeds lays a pretty cool thing for all those who are into aviation. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get a good look at it, but nonetheless, you get a look at a galvanized aluminum guardrail. No, that's not it. Nah, just the Boeing plant. That's right. This building is going to be making the Boeing 7878 Dreamliner, which they chose 8 for overseas customers, as 8 symbolizes a good number. The factory took me about maybe, I'd say about 5 minutes to ride the length of it, and it's pretty dang wide. You can see here a cement mixer coming around as well. So I figured I'd show you guys that. And when they open the doors, there's gonna be brand new airplanes never flown. They're popping out of them doors. I just figured I'd show you guys that. I thought you guys would be interested. That's it.